Looks good. No taste testing. This is not StockX. Let's see. Alright, so I'm gonna hold my portion. You're gonna hold yours, and we're gonna do it on 3. 1, 2. Oh, you eager. Look at you. You ready to get yours on. Pull it, boo boo, pull it. Pull it. Flip it. Boom. So, as you guys can tell from the intro, we already unboxed baby girl's footwear. Now it's time to unbox Big Daddy's footwear. Right. So, matching the infant size, we have the adult version of the Yeezy slides. And my pair started off at $70 if you can get them retail. Her pair starts off at $40. You can get them retail. The shoes are very similar. There's one little difference that separates them all. She has the strap. I don't. That's it. It's the only difference. Still have the wave-like pattern on both. Put your foot in, put your foot out. Both got these tags. Both got the tissue paper. Both got the Yeezy box. So it appears baby girl is still tired from last night, which is okay. I'll put her to sleep in her room, and I'll finish the rest of the review. There you go. She about to snore. Yeah, she about to be knocked out for at least another hour. So y'all stay tuned. So just to pick up, touch back on the tag portion I was telling you guys earlier. You have the infant tag. You have the adult tag for the adult size. Pretty much identical. Same detailed information. They both have the RFID ID. RFID ID. I guess I should just say RFID. But anyway, so basically what this is used just to track the shoe. If you guys can see, there's like a little chip inside of here. Let's see, maybe I gotta get it for the glare. You guys can see that. If you look close, it's like that little S you used to make back in middle school. Would depend on how old you are. The little diamond S. That's what it looks like. Not too big of a deal, but if you get these, it's another sign that you have a legit pair. So, wave-like structure on this infant shoe is exactly the same as on the adult version. Wave-like stripes. You have the little indentions on the back of the infant, as well as on the adults. And then you have the only piece of branding on this footwear is the 3 stripes right here. And it's right on the heel of where your foot goes, which is great. This is not only on the adult pair, this is also on the infant pair, which is kind of cute if you look at it. Right here, 3 stripes, as if they're going to be putting down a lot of pressure on their little feet. And you have the strap. This strap is very underrated because if you think about it, how fast kids grow out of their shoe size, you can tighten this up to a real small. Or if you want, you can have it stretched back if you want to get just a little bit older, probably like a few weeks older. Great deal, man. Like I said, $40 for this shoe, $70 for this one. Great buy. I promise you, you can get a pair of these, get them. Wear these for a week, you won't even care about Crocs. Wear these for another week, you'll be Boost for life. Now these aren't Boost, these are the EVA foams, but the concept is the same. As you walk, it's very responsive, I promise you. Like I said, just to reiterate, go a size up. These are 11. My true size is a 10. They don't make half sizes. Well, for the general public, I do know that some select family and friend members are able to get half of sizes. If you look at like the retail third-party sites, you'll see half of sizes, which usually costs way more. But nonetheless, yo, get you guys a pair if you can. They are just a little tight right here, which is normal. Just a few stretches, and give it about a week and you'll be fine. So fairly easy to put on. Boom, just like that. And then same thing. And then for the infants, let's see, we got the strap right here, and then each infant is different. Mine does not like shoes. Well, not yet. So that one, are we in? Yeah, we in. Let's see. Where's that strap? Oh. Wait. There we go. Boom. I guess she was trying to guide me on how to get that straight. So let's put this one on. Put the foot in. Zoop. And then boom. Still placed like home. Oh, look who decided to show up. Okay, well, I'm docking your pay for half a day's of work. Don't make that face. Either you learn now or you learn later. Mm-hmm.